Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iOS 26 unable to check for update on iPhone. Apple's latest iOS 26 is packed with exciting features like deeper Apple intelligence, interrogations, and a sleek new liquid glass interface. But it's not all smooth sailing. Many iPhone users are encountering the dreaded unable to check for update error. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. If this message popped up on your iPhone, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll explain why this happens and share easy to follow step-by-step solution to fix iOS 26 update issues. So the first step is check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading updates. For this, go to settings and then choose Wi-Fi. To ensure you are connected to a reliable network, if your Wi-Fi is not working, try connecting to another network, use cellular data, and you are done. And the next step is check Apple server status. The problem may not be your device at all, it could be Apple. Visit the Apple system status page using your iPhone or another device. Look for the iOS update section. A green icon means servers are working. Yellow or red means there is an issue. If servers are overloaded, try again during off-peak hours. Early morning or late at night usually works best. And you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. After restarting, go to settings. Next, choose general option. Next, choose software update, and you are done. And also make sure enroll in the correct beta program. If you are not seeing iOS 26 in software update, make sure you are in the right beta program. Public beta users won't get the developer beta. To get the developer version, visit the Apple developer program page on Safari. Next, tap on the two lines at the top left and choose account. Sign in with your Apple ID. And then enroll your device, and you are done. And the next step is check iPhone storage. iOS 26 requires around 20 GB of free space to download and install successfully. You can check available storage in settings. Go to general option and choose iPhone storage. If you have less than 25 GB of free storage, delete any app, photos, videos, or unused large files that you don't want to keep. You can also offload apps by tapping an app in that storage list and select offload app, and then tap on offload again to confirm, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. If the issue lies in your connection settings, this will reset them. For this, go to settings, choose general option, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone and choose reset. Choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your network settings, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix unable to check for update on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.